Next, we are going to discuss about merits of equity shares. When we discuss about merits of equity shares, we need to see two different views. One is company point of view merits, second investor point of view merits. So let us discuss about company point of view merits. First one, permanent capital. Equity shares are permanent. Why? Because it's available as long as the company goes, because they are not redeemable. Second, no obligation to pay dividend. Dividend means share on profit. So equity share, no obligation on the company to pay a fixed dividend to the equity shareholders. So they get dividend if adequate profits are available. Third, no charge on property. Company is able to procure capital without creating charge on its property, which remains free and it can be utilized when additional funds are required by the company. Fourth, wide scope of marketability. Equity shares are lower denominations, which means low face value. Hence, they can be purchased by persons of limited income also. Fifth, high credit worthiness. The equity capital increases the company's financial base and thus its borrowing limit increase. Lend in proportion to the company's equity capital. By issuing equity shares, the company increases its financial capability. Sixth, publicity of company. Equity shares are best way of publicity of company because trading of shares on the stock exchange creates publicity of the company. 7. High premium. Company can easily sell equity shares on premium in times of boom. In such situation, people are most eager to buy equity shares so that company can quickly raise fixed capital through equity shares. Next, investor point of view merits. First one, higher dividend. Equity shareholders are having high rate of profit sharing so that they earn more profit compared to other during prosperous time. Second, voting right. This is one of the weapon of equity shareholder. By using voting right, equity shareholders can participate in management. They can vote for election of director, auditor, and approval of dividend recommended by director. Third, right shares. An existing company has to offer the new issue of its shares to the existing shareholders as right shares on the priority basis. Fourth, capital appreciation. Equity shareholders can earn capital gain by selling shares when prices of shares increases. Fifth, good liquidity position. The liquidity position of equity shareholders are improved because these shares are freely traded in all national level stock exchange.